Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Vera and my channel is about beauty, health, skincare, hair, motherhood, just a little bit of everything. So kindly subscribe, support my channel. Please hit the subscribe button below and turn your notification on. Very important, because that's the only way you will know when I upload new videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite face mask. It's better than Botox. It's just 3 ingredients that's needed. It contains lactic acid, an organic compound that aids in diminishing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by tightening and shrinking pores. The mask also has exfoliating properties that transforms your skin from being dry and dull to lighter and soft. Don't say, oh, I'm too young, it's not for me. It's for everybody, no matter the age, young, old. The mask is so good that you will never want to stop using it because your skin is gonna glow. Face masks are always brilliant to use, and this one you can use every day to give your skin a helping hand. It will make you look years younger. Your skin is going to be soft, smooth, beautiful. Okay, enough talking. Make sure to watch till the end and see what you need to make this mask, how to make it and how to apply it. So hey guys, the first thing that we need is avocado pear. It has to be a ripe one. Avocado is so good because it contains anti-inflammatory oleic acid that fights inflammation. It prevents wrinkles and improves skin redness. Now the next thing that we're going to need is a blender. Okay. Yeah, you need a blender because we're going to blend it. Now we set it aside. So we go ahead and cut it into 4. Yeah, because I'm not making too much. It's better you don't make so much. Just make the one that will last you for like 5 to 7 days. Okay, so quarter of it is enough. Now we're going to peel it and put it in the blender and set aside. The next thing we'll add is plain yogurt, whether it's Greek or regular kind. Contains lactic acid, an organic compound that aids in diminishing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by tightening and shrinking pores. It's also rich in zinc and has anti-inflammatory properties. It also has natural antibacterial and fungal properties that helps prevent breakout of acne and ensures a glowing, healthy skin. So we go ahead and add 1 tablespoon. Okay. Yeah, just like that. And then we'll go ahead and blend. Now I want you to know that my blender cannot blend without water. If you have the one that can, that's fine, because we are not supposed to add water. Okay, I'm going to try to blend it without water, but one thing I know for sure is that it's not gonna be that smooth like I want it to, but it's still okay. So now we're done. As you can see, it's not that smooth, but that's okay. I'm going to use the spoon to try to smoothen it as much as I can. You guys, whenever you think of anti-aging, just remember avocado pear, because it has vitamin C and E, which are good to skin health. Yeah, trust me, you're gonna love it. So we'll go ahead now and add the last ingredient, which is grapeseed oil. And if you have been watching my videos, you must have noticed that I like using grapeseed oil because it's light. Yeah, it's light, so it's not gonna clog the pores. But feel free to use any oil that you have. Okay, so we'll add 1 teaspoon of the oil, and then we go ahead and stir thoroughly. Okay, now you can use this mask every day, that's fine, or you can use it 3 to 5 times in a week. That's good. I told you not to make too much, just the one that's enough for you for 5 to 7 days is fine. Then you go ahead and store it in the fridge. Okay, then when applying this mask, make sure that your face is neat. It has to be washed. If you have makeup, make sure to take them off, then apply it on your face and also on your neck too. Okay, any remedy that you're using, try to apply it on your face and your neck, then leave it for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. If you're busy, you can just leave it till whenever that you want to shower or something, you can now wash it off. Okay, come, let me show you how it's done. So guys, this is it. You need to know that there's no makeup on my face except for the lip gloss on my lips. Yeah, then you go ahead and apply it round and round and round all over your face. Okay, yeah, that's it. When you do it, let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you learned something today and you enjoyed this video. Please go ahead now and subscribe if you haven't. Like and share this video too. Okay, all right, take care of you, show more kindness wherever you are, and I'll see you guys soon.